Alright, so found out that the switchboard was destroyed, or that short-circuited. Seems the batteries are fine. Going to show you a quick test, and then I have to figure out how to take them out of the pack to reuse them. And there we go. Let's give it up for technology. All right. See the reading? Oh, gotta get that connection. See? The batteries are fine. The board just short-circuited. I'll show you these two. Yeah. So I'm very grateful. Now I gotta watch some more YouTubers, figure out how to make the batteries work. Stay tuned.